Yo. What's up, guys? Welcome back to a video. I'm here with your boy Mikey Diaz, and we're doing a challenge. We're gonna do 30 minutes on the kayak and 30 minutes on foot bank fishing, just like the old school routes. We're gonna do a coin toss, and the coin toss is gonna determine whether you want the kayak now or you wanted the last 30 minutes on that top water time in the kayak. So right now we're gonna flip a coin, and let's see who gets to the kayak now or a kayak later for the last 30 minutes. So you ready? You want heads or tails?
You want me to call it?
Yeah.
How do you want me to do it? You want me to leave it on the ground or catch
No,
it?
catch it and flip it. Catch and flip. The old catch and flip. There you go. That's a good
You
flip.
good at it?
Yeah.
Tails it is.
Tails never fail. So what are you choosing?
Late.
You want the late kayak. All right.
Late
So
top
I'm gonna get on the kayak now and top water off the bank, baby. That's what we're gonna do. Challenge is the biggest over a pound. I have the scale in the boat, but whoever is on the shore, we're gonna paddle up to that person and weigh it in person so we know we got proof, because this guy, you can't trust him all the time. But
By 10 inches, 5 pounds. It was a 5 pounder.
it's a 5-pounder, but it's really not. Anyways, we'll catch you out on the water. Don't forget to subscribe and like this. Set a 30-minute timer.
Okay, 30 minutes and counting.
All right, time's going. So we're gonna start here with the drop shot, guys. We have the transducer or the depth finder, whatever you prefer to call it, here with us, because we fish this place a lot and we want to map it out and see what. Oh, there's a big log over here. And there's some fish on the structure over here, yeah. It's marking fish all around here. Yeah. We're gonna start with the drop shot. And I think I'm gonna rig it like I was rigging it the other day. Kind of like Texas rig almost. So we're gonna work this bank since Diaz has that bank. Let's see if we can connect with any fish over here. Ooh, terrible first cast. Had a bite? Looks like Mike had a bite already. Jeez, can get some decent cast over here. Fish on. Woo. Fish, first fish in the boat, guys. No, no. Huh? Yeah. Oh no. Oh, he keeps jumping out. Huh? Yes, he's in the boat. He's definitely, I think, a 1-pounder. He's gotta be. Right off of this point right here. Oh, there's some grass over here. He's not a huge one, but he's should be 1 pound. All right, so here we have him. Nah, I don't even think he's a pound. He's so small. Should I weigh him? I gotta weigh everything, right? Because I don't even have enough dealer policy money for Wendy. Oh, Mike's got a fish. Hey, that's definitely bigger. Huh? This one isn't either, but we're doubled up, buddy. You're not gonna weigh him? Not even a pound, right?
Yeah, I don't think so.
All right, double release, baby.
I'm about to jack this one right in front of your face. Watch me jack this one right in front of your face. Oh, just had a bite. Deep. Water's super low again. You lose it. Oh, good start, Budgiekins. Hey, that's Budgiekins with the first one over there. I think. Did you get it? Hell of a job, Budgie. Buddy, come on. Did you get it or not? Did you get it in the boat? All right, good. I'm worried about you. Yeah? You just never know what's going to win it, Budgie. It's a good start.
Should I weigh him?
I mean, hey! This one ain't making the cut.
Huh?
This one ain't making the cut.
This one isn't either, but we're doubled up, buddy.
Good start, Budgiekins.
You're not gonna weigh him? Not even a pound, right?
Yeah, I don't think so.
Double release, baby. Nice. Hey, good job so far.
Good work, Budgie. Oh! On the frog.
Bring him in, baby. Bring him in.
Oh, he's got it good. Oh!
Good job.
Nice.
Hey.
That might be one, Budgie.
Here's the scale.
Holy, he crushed that frog.
1 pound. Right.
Holy moly, he crushed that frog.
Yeah, he crushed that. I forgot to turn the camera on. Just had another one on the same point. See if we got anything over here. Because Diaz can't really... I mean, he could probably make a cast over here, but it'll be very difficult for him. So Mike's got 2 and I also have 2, but he's got the big one so far. Oh, something went at it. I'm pretty sure I erased everything that was in there. Another fish, but small one. Another small one. Ah! Son of a bitch hooked me. He got me good. Thank God I was able to pull it out. Another little small one. It took my worm, but that's okay. But I just had to pull this hook right off of my leg. Right there, you can see it bleeding. Ow. But these KVD Perfect Plastics, this is the Watermelon Sea Dream Shot. So far, have done very good by me. Let's see if there's another one in there. Let's bite. Small one though. Yeah, that spot is not an easy spot to cast.
Oh, that sounds good.
Nah.
You okay? Sounded good.
Better, but not quite there.
Dude, that sounded like a hog in the water.
I know. Put up a great fight. Another very similar one. They're super aggressive today.
Yeah, they're fucking mean today. That's 3 for you, right?
Yeah.
Nice. Good start.
Actually 4.
4? Oh my god.
Yeah.
I wish we brought the canoe.
I know.
You know what that means?
Yep.
You're about to get beat.
Another one.
That looks like an okay one.
Oh,
Oh, you got it. Nice. Oh, buddy, that looks okay. Buddy.
much better, much better. Oh my God, this guy's got no top lip. Dude, you gotta see this fish. It's got no top lip. We've never caught this fish here. Come on. No, I can't lose you. You're my guy right now. No, no, no. Oh my God. This might be the guy here. Bro, look at that. I have the grips.
To the bank over there.
Nah, I'll just come right there. Little guy. Alright, so we're here. I just caught a little one. I don't think this guy was gonna do it. He's definitely a 1-pounder, but £1 on the money.
Nice. All right. Well, you're in the. Hey, it's a fish on the board.
Yeah. Look at the lip.
Oh my God, that cost you your 5 ounces right there.
Literally. Go, buddy. Go right ahead. I'm gonna start casting from right here, actually.
First cash jacking one right here.
Imagine.
Oh, there it is.
What are you throwing the frog still?
Just throw the sauce right.
Yeah, that's what happened to me the other time. Oh, I just lost one. Little one though. The water is so clear today. You don't really need the glasses much, especially in here. Okay, come on. We need a fish, guys. We're still... Fish on. Smaller fish. We got another fish, guys. It's a nice fish, but not what we need or what we're looking for. Fish on! Woo! Nah. Another nice little one. Very similarly sized. We gotta keep fishing. We're not done yet. We're not done yet. We still got about 30 minutes, so let's see if I could get him on that bank over there. Oh, damn. Oh, I just got a slam. Oh my God. Damn, one just went for it right there. The frog, yeah. Right there. I'm gonna get in this water. I'm gonna try with this first. I don't know. I love the drop shot today. Been trying to use this rod for a little while. See if we can catch one here. Another fish. Nah. Stop it. Stop moving. Oh, goodbye. Quick release. And they're super aggressive today. Don't want to fall in the water, but I know there's a little cove right here. Oh, that's a perfect cast. Oh, that's a nicer one. Woo. Diaz. I think I may have him. I think I may have it. Nah. I still want to weigh him, but I don't think he's there. You know what? I'm not gonna weigh him. You're lucky. Come here though, I want you to see him though. Nice fish, guys. Yep. Can't be fishing my bank.
Sorry.
Wait,
Wait, that was a mistake.
that's not getting out of here. That's exactly where I was gonna cast too. Nice. Not a huge one. Still a fish. On the saucy? Nice. Yo. Yo, he just came right at it. That's a crazy slam.
Looks like a decent one.
Yeah, but still not a... What an aggressive little fish. He's swimming towards you. Big one?
He might be a little bit bigger, but not much. No. Nope.
Oh! Yep. He like, it was a small little smash though. We are on the way back. Mike took that W with a 1.4.
Wendy Bell, baby.
Wendy Bell
The
goes
Wendy
for
Bell
Mike.
title.
Welcome back, guys. I did not like the lighting of that night. It was kind of dark already by the time I did that outro, so I wanted to do an outro here and congratulate Mike again. He definitely got Wendy Bell from me one way or another. He always gets it. So his camera got frozen and couldn't really record much of his stuff, but he caught that nice frogfish that you guys saw. It was a 1.4 pounder and I couldn't come close to that. The closest one was a 1 pounder, as you guys saw, but other than that, it was a fun day out there. I want to thank you guys always for supporting me, for liking my content. Don't forget to subscribe for those of you that have not and are new to this channel. There's plenty more to come, so I will catch you guys on the water on the next episode.